This is the interactive experience through the volcano. You got the waterfalls, and then you're above all the people in the pool. And then straight ahead, we gotta walk through this. All right. Here we go. Ah! All right, we made it through. We're inside the volcano. Here we go. Oh, this is epic. This is so cool. Wow. Not sure where this all goes. It's starting to get a little dark though. Okay, we're gonna have some fun here. All right, Kendra, go ahead and do the tappy tappy, please. So she touched her tappy tappy. Now she's controlling the water up above. Here we go, look. That is so cool. Wow, I don't know what that does. Oh, look at that. It lights up the whole cave. Magical. Even though, look up there. So cool. Okay, you guys are gonna love this. Here we go. Hello, sir. How are you?
Okay, the sir thing. No. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Great. We're having an amazing time.
I'm glad you have an amazing time. What you been up to today?
We've been like a lot of fun things.
A lot of water
Fun
slides.
things, very specific. I like it. Okay. What is your most favorite thing you've done today? Like if
Krakatoa.
aliens were visiting and you were like, listen, let me give you the hot bus on Volcano Bay.
Krakatoa. Everyone has to go to Krakatoa.
Krakatoa Costa?
Yes.
That's your final answer?
Yes.
You know what, that's what I tell people too. I was like, listen, if there's only one you can do that one. It's a fan favorite.
You
Yeah.
are. And you know what? You're our second favorite.
Oh, thank you. I got no waters and no lights today. I am so sorry.
You're
I used to be a
amazing.
little bit more aggressive, but now I just got like bad jokes, you know?
Well,
You want to hear a bad joke?
yes,
Yes.
definitely.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is brown and hairy and wears sunglasses?
I don't know. What is brown and hairy that wears sunglasses?
A coconut on vacation.
You are awesome.
Enjoy yourselves, my friends.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
That was so cool. We spoke to the mountain goddess ourselves, just like chit-chatted. That was cool.